Rohit after the game did say, no, Dew is not really that much of a factor. But again, we don't really understand Dew, so we don't even understand any comments about the Dew, where it comes, where it goes, who says what. It's what we saw. But I think the more important statement from Rohit is that it's just his hammy was troubling him a little bit, but there's nothing major. That's the thing, right, Joy? When you have big players, when you have players like, Dhoni and Virat and Rohit, when you have all these big players, anything that happens to them, they light up tournaments, right? So, I mean, when you're looking at them, you're worrying as an Indian fan, as perhaps a Mumbai fan, as a cricket fan. You're just looking at that and going, no, oh, my beating heart.
Absolutely. I mean, Rohit, and now, I mean, I want to add to that Shikhar, because given the kind of form Shikhar is in, you don't want him to be out of the tournament. But Rohit going out and, staying out for 20 overs, I think that was the thing that worried more than anything. It's just the amount of time that he stayed out. And look, I think he's also trying to preserve himself in some way, because one of the things that happen in pitches like this, in grounds like this, where there's a lot of dew and a lot of slipping, the chances of you getting injured are also much higher in the field.
Yeah.
So, it's also precautionary. They'd say, what, we'd suggest you don't go back. If you're feeling a bit of a pull, don't go back. And I think it's precautionary, but it's too early in the season for him to, if this was a final or if this was a qualifier game, Rohit would not be off the field. I'm very sure.
Yeah. Makes a difference.
And also remember, Karen Pollard's a really good captain. He's got a history of leading a side very well. He's captain of the West Indies now. So why would you take a chance on a dewy outfield? Just sit in next couple of days, rest it a little bit. It's okay. I mean, I don't think it was such a big deal. I'm interested in him saying that the dew wasn't a factor, because I think what he wants to do, and he's a smart man, I think he wants to divert the attention away from the dew to the way they batted and say, look, up front, this same game, Gaurav, 150 run chase, we think only 13 runs, 14 runs here and there. At each point, the difference between runs needed and balls available is more by 10. Now just imagine that run chase. So I think that is what he wants to say. He said, look, if he had got to 150, it was still a different game, dew and all that. So let's not go to the dew and say that was the reason, because the real reason is we didn't put enough on the board.